Pretty soon ahead, you're going to see a huge moon, and I mean huge. Oh my gosh. Why can't I see it on the camera yet? That's weird. Cannot see it on the camera. Trust me, it's up there. That is really weird. Oh, car, don't act up. That's not a good sign. I'm on my way to AutoZone to have them read my check engine light. And the car doesn't like to idle, so I have to put it in neutral. Today is April 6, 2019. It's almost 85 in here, and I am so anxious to get going, get back on the project. I've had the flu, which hasn't been kind. I've never had the flu before, so this one really knocked me for a loop. Anyhow, I came down today. I got the screen back in the window that I fixed on the previous video, so awesome. And now we're going to do shelves in my pantry. Every little bit I do counts, and it gets me that much closer to getting in here. By the way, I did get my tires. They're in one of the storage buildings right now because my friend that is going to take the tires in, have them mounted, he's also going to pack my bearings and check my brakes. However, he has the flu also. It is going around. A lot of people in the park right now have the flu. I am moving stuff around in my van, and I got 2 Max Air fans. Found them online for, I think, like around $100 each. And I reviewed them against the Fantastic Fan, and they're really good fans. So I got one for the Silver Streak and one for my motorhome. Okay, so I brought a couple things down to unload for the Silver Streak. I saw these pillows at Walmart. This little side over here is going to be my area for the dogs. So they'll have cushioning, and I'll put up like a wainscot wall up here. And I saw these pillows and I thought, oh, I gotta grab them before they disappear. They're too cute. Won't those be cute in here? And they actually kind of go with the color anyhow. So I will just shove those up in a cabinet for now. And I had this in one of the storage places here on the grounds. And this is a 3-shelf metal storage rack, which I will be assembling and putting in this cabinet right here. And then my microwave and my toaster oven will be resting on those shelves because down there I have electricity. So that's awesome. They'll be out of the way, but yet totally usable. That's going to be great. My plans were to cut new shelves. I was going to get some wood today and cut new shelves for the pantry area. However, I'm trying to keep things on a certain budget, and these were all the pre-cut boards that came out of it. So for now, I've cleaned them up, and I bought shelf paper. It's outside. So right there, I bought shelf paper to line them up with. And I will go ahead and put those back in the pantry for now. And then if I feel the need to make proper wood shelves, I'll do that. The shelf fits nice. Not as sturdy as I'd like, but like I said, I can get this thing set up and later on put real wood shelves in here. And fortunately, I didn't even pay attention, so I'm really glad because the shelf paper does say self-adhesive. Thank goodness. So I'm going to cut this up real quick and put these shelves in and call it a day. At least I got a little bit done today on the Twinkie. Having a pattern that you can follow helps too. I can cut my lines fairly straight. I like that. Sometimes I got a little perfectionist that lives within me. She drives me crazy. Okay, that piece is cut, so I will overlap it and get it on the shelf. It's not very sticky, but you know what? My blue tape works perfect. Just tape it down on the bottom. Okay, let's put this shelf in and see how it looks. I kind of like the colors, actually, which is weird because I don't really care about shelf paper all that much, but in this case, I feel better with shelf paper on here. Okay, that looks good, doesn't it? Even the colors look good. Awesome. Okay, so I'm going to do the rest of them and get them in here before I call it a day. And there you have it. I'm going to do the top one too. I think I'll do that one on both sides. That way it'll look kind of nice. And there is a little bit of an area right here where there's still an opening, but that's okay. I'll just slide, small stuff up there. But doesn't that look good? Okay, so there you go. That part's done. And that was from one roll. So that's pretty good. And these are excess boards. Some of them may have gone to this other. I'm not sure. Let's look and see. Nope. None of them go in here, but that's okay because I still have to fill in the rest of that base down there on the floor for my other shelf. So I can use some of that for that. I really like the way that looks. That looks really good. I'm ready to move in. I brought a couple of other extra things down too. Where did I put them? Right here. So this was my little teapot that I bought last year. It's really super cute. It's on a little metal teapot or a little whatever teapot, and I thought it would be really, really cute in the kitchen. So I went ahead and brought it down to store it down here. And then for my kitchen, this is going to be different. Macrame. Gotta have the macrame. I thought this would be really super cute. Okay, so I have two of these, and I thought they would make really cute kitchen curtains. So we're going to do that. I might have to get a longer wooden dowel and just slide both of these because there's only one, and I would like to use both of them. So I might get a longer wooden dowel and just kind of slide them over to the same dowel. Okay, that's enough for today. I don't know if I'll be down here tomorrow or not, because we're supposed to get rain tomorrow. But if anything, at least I got that job done. Every little thing is an accomplishment. So, oh yeah, my tiles. These are the tiles that I have for my kitchen walls. they're going to be so cute. And then for the backsplash, I have the metal tiles. So that's going to look awesome. Let's see. Whew, it's hot. Very rough, very rough. So that's going to look great. Okay, so I'm going to put these back up in the cabinet for now. And call it a day. I'm losing daylight. And it's time to call it a day and go home and hit the air conditioner. So, yeah, kids are out there playing. It's a nice evening. Actually, it's not bad outside. There's just no breeze inside. Okay, catch y'all later and live the life you love. Bye-bye.